Plan review doesn't have to be a mess, but for many governments, it is. Multiple departments, endless emails, inconsistent comments, projects stall, staff get burned out, and applicants are left guessing. OpenGov Plan Review changes that with an updated plan review functionality and expanded partnerships with other electronic plan review solutions. Together, you get one connected process from submission to decision. Built for how governments actually work, Plan Review pulls every round of feedback into one simple, structured workflow. Set up reviews to fit your process, run them parallel or in sequence, across departments or within a single team. Each reviewer sees only what they need, so feedback is faster, clearer, and easier to manage. Keep feedback consistent with a shared comment library. Drop in code references, flag issues, and reuse standard language all in a click. Applicants get one clear message: what's been reviewed, what's needed, and what happens next. Starting another round? Easy. Just a few clicks and the next phase is live. No need to rebuild from scratch. When the review's done, OpenGov automatically creates a complete summary letter with markups, attachments, and clear next steps. From building plans to event permits, OpenGov adapts to your process, whether it's simple or complex. Plan reviews shouldn't feel like firefighting. With OpenGov, your team stays on the same page and applicants aren't left in the dark. Clear reviews, fast responses, fewer headaches.